Who wants to think about MBA applications and GMAT prep right now? It's summertime, the weather is beautiful, the birds are chirping, and all we want is to spend the time outside. And it's almost unfair that application deadlines to business schools for next year are this September. And if you wait too long, not only are you going to have more competition, most of the schools we work with already report an increase of 30 to 50% in application numbers this year, but also some of the juiciest scholarships are going to be gone by about November or December. Now, I know that you're watching this video because you are thinking of taking your career to the next level. Now, as you spend the time outside, maybe you're sitting on a balcony or on a backyard or walking in the forest or maybe even lying on the beach. I'd like to invite you to think about what's really important to you in your life right now. And as you think about this, think about why is it so important to you. And then think about having that. What would it do to you? What would it do to your life? If you were to have that, that's really important to you in your life right now, that goal that's really important to you achieve. What would it do to your career? What would it do to your personal and professional life? And I'd like to invite you to attend a workshop this Saturday on the MBA applications and GMAT prep. And you'll be surprised to learn that the information we're going to go through this Saturday is going to relate really closely to what's really important to you in your life right now. Now you might be wondering, well, where am I going to find the 2 hours to attend this workshop on a Saturday? The one thing that I found out, having done my own MBA and having worked with over 15,000 people in the last 10 years, is that time is our most precious resource. You can't have more or less of it. You can only invest it wisely. And that is why this Saturday, in just 2 hours, you're going to learn how to save dozens, if not potentially hundreds of hours, preparing for the GMAT and preparing your MBA application. We're going to go through what every test taker should know before beginning to study for the GMAT. We're going to talk about some of the strategies that are going to help you ace the verbal section of the GMAT, the hardest section on the GMAT. And we're also going to learn how to prepare that winning MBA application and how you can actually get these juicy scholarships that everybody wants. So please join us this Saturday in the MBA Admission and GMAT Verbal Refresher Workshop. You're going to find the registration link at the bottom of this video. You can also go to verbal.admitmaster.com. I look forward to seeing you this Saturday.